Okay guys, here we are again with another episode of an omelette. So it's egg time, it's egg season. Next week is Easter. So while 2 billion Christians, they will remember the resurrection of a historical figure, Jesus Christ. The other percentage of the world, they will look for eggs. I don't know where this tradition come from, that egg has to do with Easter, but okay, hey, we cannot figure out all the mysteries. But we're going to make an omelette, an Indian omelette. So I'll break open a couple of eggs. So what we need here is eggs. We need onions, finely chopped. We put that in a chopper. We have some coriander here, finely chopped. We have finely chopped green chilies. This is what they call here in Dutch rauwit. It's a fine green chili which they use all over in Asia. The secret ingredient, the big secret, grated ginger. Yes, grated ginger in the omelette. But this is the secret for the special taste. And then we have the turmeric powder, a little bit of pinch of turmeric powder, which Indians, they throw turmeric powder in almost everything. But hey, who am I to judge? Yes. Meanwhile, I'm heating up the oil. So I'm going to start to whisk the eggs. Whisk. I think I've done a great job on this. Then I'm going to add the onions. The chilies. The coriander. The turmeric powder. And the great secret, grated ginger. I'm gonna gently whisk, mix it a little bit, and let all the flavors come together. The pan is heating up meanwhile. The oil is getting hot. Ready for this baby. In the end, I'm going to have a pinch of salt. And actually, I like to use more of my fingers than the spoon. I don't know what your philosophy about cooking is, but with your fingers you can you have a better way to, oh yeah, a little bit of black pepper. Nice, a lot of black pepper. Mix everything together again. And then we are ready for the pan. Oil is now nice and hot. So I'm going to pour the eggs. A little bit. And this is one omelette. And now let it gently cook for a while.